Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss a video from testbook.com.
Hello guys, I am Dhiraj and I welcome you all in the Testbook.com and I'm here to provide you the best I have. So guys, today we are going to again solve the question based on what mechanical engineering for Vizag management trainee recruitment, which will be the exam will held on 13th and 14th of December, right? So guys, yes, I can see that few people have already joined. So guys, very good afternoon, Shivani. So you have to do what you have to do. You have to share the link of this video in a social media group so that the maximum people will get joined and they will get benefited of this session as well. Okay. So my dear, yes, before starting the session, I want to let you know those who have already joined and they came first time, they have to subscribe the channel as well. Okay. So everybody, very good afternoon. So yes, people are already joined. Very good here. So it's right now it's 14:58. We are going to start the session at 3:02. Okay. So that the people will get joined. My voice is audible to you. My voice is audible to you. My voice is clear to you. Yes, Ram. Okay, Abhit, we got it. We'll plan on that. Don't worry. Plan करते हैं ऐसा कुछ. Definitely, I will try my best कि उस पे भी कोई एक दो सेशन हम कर सकें. Okay. Definitely, I will try my best कि उस पे हम कुछ ना कुछ कर सकें. Don't worry. Okay. Definitely, I will try my best कि मैं उस पे कुछ ला सकूं. Definitely will do it. Audible and visible. Okay, good. So guys, those who have already joined, that I want to let you know there is something from Testbook for you guys, and those who came first time, for them I want to let you know guys, there is 12 plus 2 month Testbook Pass offer is going on. You are getting the Testbook Pass just for rupees 299, and if you paid from Airtel Bank payment, then definitely you will get 30 rupees cash back. And my dear, validity is what? 14 months. Okay. And we have already launched our, that is SSC JE Mechanical live coaching batch. You can explore the demo classes of it in the website as well as in the app. Okay. And if you want to enroll on it, my dear, what you have to do, you have to fill the application form, and the link of the application form is given in the description of this video. And one more thing, that is what, if you are interested in GATE, my dear, so I want to let you know that is a very big price drop in the GATE Mechanical live coaching. We are giving it just for rupees 3,999, and you can also explore the demo classes for it in the website as well as in the app, right? Okay. Very good afternoon, everybody. Very good afternoon. Funny, very good afternoon, Vera. Very good afternoon. Now, within 2 minutes, we are going to start the session, my dear. Within 2 minutes, we are waiting for 2 minutes and then we'll start the session. Okay? Definitely, we'll start the session. Very good afternoon, Rahul. And guys, do hit like, share, and subscribe the channel. Mark your attendance by hitting on the like button. अपने अटेंडेंस को मार्क करना चाहते हो कि हाँ हम इस लेक्चर में आए थे, प्लीज हिट ऑन अ लाइक बटन. Yes, I can see that many of you have joined. Still, many of you are still joining. Okay. Very good afternoon, Ankit. We are going to solve each and every question in the session. Definitely, right. Okay. Definitely कुछ करें. Okay, Krishna Murthy said morning session PDF not uploaded. Okay, by the evening it will. By the evening it will. हो जाएगी अब. Don't worry. हो जाएगी बेटा. Krishna Murthy, it will. Don't worry. After this session you check. Definitely it will get uploaded after this session. Don't worry. Okay. Material becomes soft. That is what ductile. When we do the cold working, what my dear? Ductility reduce. But we do the annealing, and just by that we get some increment in ductility. and we do continue cold rolling. Okay, Ankit said, sir उस पे करवा दीजिए. Definitely will try, Ankit. बिल्कुल मचाते हैं. 3-2 हो गया है. Okay, sir by handling process material सॉफ्ट बनता है, सॉफ्ट बनता है. हियर वी गो, हियर वी गो. विशाल भगत, एडमिट कार्ड आ गया. एडमिट कार्ड आ गया किसका? यूपीपीएससी का. यूपीपीएससी का आ गया. ओके ओके, हियर वी गो माय डियर, हियर वी गो. दैट इज वाइजैक का आ चुका है, यूपीपीएससी का भी नहीं आया है. ओके, हियर वी गो. द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑन योर स्क्रीन माय डियर. लुक एट दिस. The relationship between the Young modulus E, bulk modulus K, and Poisson's ratio mu is given by what, my dear? It is nothing but what? E is equal to thrice K, 1 minus twice mu, right? Yes or no, bacha? So it should be 1. It should be 1. I hope you got it. Yes or no, bacha? Okay. And क्या होता है? Twice G, 1 plus mu. 1 plus mu, right? E, and E also is equal to what, my dear? 9 kg upon thrice K plus G, right? Very good, very good, very good. I got it. Here we go for next. Here we go for next, my dear. Look at this. The property of material by which it can be beaten or rolled into plates is called as. See, listen very carefully. The property of a material by which it can be beaten or rolled into plate is called, my dear. क्या बोलते हैं बच्चा? हाँ जी, very good. Malleability. It is malleability. Very good, my dear. And should be none of these. In a case of gear pair with involute tooth profile, the pressure angle throughout the contact constant. क्या होता है? प्रेशर एंगल रिमेन्स कांस्टेंट, इट विल नॉट गोइंग टू चेंज, राइट? वेरी गुड. 1 1 1 1, वेरी गुड. 1 1, चाहत, वेरी गुड. हियर वी गो फॉर नेक्स्ट. हियर वी गो फॉर नेक्स्ट. Loss of energy at the exit of pipe is given by, at the exit of pipe, my dear, क्या होती है बच्चा? It is none other than v square by twice g. And अगर वही एंट्री पे पूछता, when it is at entry, it should be what, my dear? V square by 0.5 into V square by twice G. But here it is exit, so we'll take the answer. This one, V square by twice G. Very good. 3, very good. Here we go. Here we go for next. Convective heat transfer coefficient is a function of, my dear. Convective heat transfer coefficient is a function of nature of fluid flow only, properties of the fluid only, configuration of body only, nature of fluid, properties of fluid, and configuration of body. Haji bacha, which one is correct? Which one is correct? Be fast, my dear. Be fast. Be fast. It is none other than what? Alright. It should be, it depends on nature of fluid flow, properties of fluid, and configuration of body. की body कैसी है? Whether it is sphere, circle, cylinder, what? Because surface area matters. Because surface area matters. Very good. Fourth one. Very good. Here we go for next. The total momentum of a system of masses, that is moving bodies, in any direction remains constant unless acted upon by external force in that direction. This statement is called as, my dear. This statement is called as. Haji bacha. Newton's second? No, it's first. Newton's first law. है बेटा ये. It's not second. I repeat, it's not second. It is Newton's first law. बोला जाता है ना कि कोई भी बॉडी मोशन में तो मोशन में रहेगी, एंड कोई भी बॉडी सपोज टू बी देयर इज अ बॉडी व्हिच इज इन मोशन, सो इट विल बी इन मोशन. Any body is in rest, it will be in rest only until and unless you apply any kind of force. I hope you got it. Here we go. Law of inertia, very good. The included angle in Acme thread, my dear. Acme thread, none other than, my dear, हाउ मच 29 कितना होता है बच्चा एक्मे थ्रेड का एंगल दैट इज नन अदर देन 29 व्हाट 29 आई रिपीट 29 कितना 29 एंड 45 किसमें होता है 45 डिग्री इट इज इन बट्रेस किसमें होता है बट्रेस में वेरी गुड 55 is BSW not getting where okay here we go for next in a reversible adiabatic process T1 by T2 is equal to T1 by T2 is equal to P1 by P2 raised to power gamma minus 1 upon gamma is equal to V2 by V1 raised to power gamma minus 1 right yes or no bacha yes or no so it should be none other than number 3 very good it's number 3 correct you are correct here we go for next intercooling in a gas turbine my dear decreases net output but increases thermal efficiency increases net output decreases both net work output and thermal efficiency increases both net output and thermal efficiency haji bacha please tell me the answer for it it's a beautiful question it's quite confusing क्या होता है इंटरकूलिंग के कारण क्या होगा that you will get more output but the pressure has been dropped so what will happen efficiency will drop right कूल करोगे तो डेफिनेटली ज्यादा हीट देना पड़ेगा नंबर 2 is correct number 2 is correct number 2 very good number 2 very good why efficiency is less because you are cooling so you have to supply more heat in machining test a cutting speed 200 meter per minute indicate the tool life 24 minute and cutting speed 400 meter per minute indicate the tool life 6 minute the value of n will be you know the Taylor series v1 t1 raised to power n v2 t2 raised to power n v1 is how much bacha 200 t1 24 raised to power n is equal to my dear again we have 400 into t what v2 sorry t2 is what 6 raised to power n right so what you'll get see you'll get 624 मतलब 4 raised to power n is equal to what 400 by 2 that is 2 so what should be the value of n तो n की वैल्यू क्या रखूं कि मेरे को 2 मिल जाए so n की वैल्यू 1 by 2 रख दो you'll get what you'll get 2 because 4 अंडर रूट करूंगा that is what 2 यहाँ पे log लेके करने का कोई सवाल नहीं है that is you have to put the value of n in such a way that this 4 will become 2 so it is none other than what raised to power 1 by 2 that is square root very good 0.5 very good Shivani that is none other than what bacha 0.5 1 by 2 means what 0.5 most commonly used criteria for measuring forecast error measure करने के लिए which criteria we are using please tell me हाजी बच्चा it is none other than हाजी बच्चा it is क्या होगा अरे क्या करते हैं summation of I to 1 to n what my dear di fi square divided by n it is what it is none other than mean square error what my dear mean square error number 4 mean square error very good Sharma Rahul also very good here we go for next my dear which one of them is not an assumption during sequencing and scheduling problem listen to me which one of them is not an assumption during sequencing and scheduling of the problem so my dear please tell me the answer for it yes guys be fast tell me yes see all jobs are ready for processing it's an assumption so it should not be it is correct we have to choose which will not the machine is flexible and can handle any jobs yes it's also correct traveling and setup times are considered along with processing time no so this should be what number 3 machine breakdown is not allowed it's allowed okay very good 3 is correct machine breakdown is not allowed why it is not allowed because it will increase idle time identify the one where the centroid of the section lies outside the section angle section So angle section will be like this. ये angle section, T section, T section. Okay. Symmetrical eye section. Okay. Okay. What unsymmetrical eye section? So unsymmetrical eye section का कहाँ होगा बच्चा? Unsymmetrical eye section, right? Like it should be like this, right? तो इसका थोड़ा सा यहाँ होगा नीचे, इसका बिल्कुल सेंटर में होगा, इसका भी यहीं कहीं होगा, बट इसका कहाँ होगा? यहाँ कहीं होगा. तो ये क्या हो गया? एंगल. वेरी गुड. एंगल सेक्शन. Idle time increases. Very good. Chahat. Here we go for next. Here we go for next, my dear. Tooth interference in an external involute spur gear pair can be reduced by. See, tooth interference can be reduced by increasing number of teeth. By increasing number of teeth, right? Fourth one. By increasing number of teeth. Very good. Very good, Avit. Very good. Number of teeth को increase कर दोगे, definitely क्या होगा? Interference जो होगा वो कम हो जाएगा. और it will get. Veerbhadra Harshvardhan, most welcome dear. Increase number of teeth. Chahat, very good. Everybody is very good. Ramji, very good dear. Which welding process use is consumable electrode? You know that laser and what? Not a consumable electrode. What? Thermite? It's not consumable electrode. TIG, not consumable. MIG welding has consumable electrode. Number 4. Very good. Very good. MIG. Krishna Kumar, very good. Chahat, Sumit K, very good. Everybody is correct. Here I go for next. Veerbhadra, very good dear. For a circular shaft of diameter D, subjected to torque T, maximum value of shear stress. I already explained shaft for solid. Is this what, my dear? 16T upon pi D cube. Just remember it. It should be what? Number 3. Number 3. Very good. 16D upon pi D cube. It's correct. Here we go for next. In a plate cam mechanism with reciprocating roller follower, the follower has a constant acceleration in the case of. किसमें उसको constant acceleration रहेगा? Simple में, parabolic में, cycloidal में, 3, 4, 5 polynomial. Guys, be fast and please tell me. Yes, be fast. Be fast. हाँ जी बच्चा. Please tell me what should be the answer for it. Yes, be fast, my dear. It is none other than what? Parabolic motion. क्या होगा बच्चा? Parabolic motion. Font size तो यार visible है. अगर उसमें ज्यादा कराऊंगा तो definitely वो slide से बाहर जाएगा. Try to understand. It is standard size. Guys, can you please tell me, is it not visible to you? Fonts are visible or not? Fonts are visible or not? Please tell me. Fonts are visible or not? Yes, it's visible. Visible. See, चाहत. देखो कितने लोग visible बोल रहे हैं चाहत. Okay, it should be none other than parabolic. Which of the following forecasting method takes fraction of forecast error into account for the next period forecast? What, my dear? Yes, which one? And that is none other than what? Fourth one. That is what? Exponentially smoothing. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. That is exponentially smoothing method. Very good, dear. Everybody is correct. The different equation of fluid in a curved path relates the pressure gradient in a radial direction and in which direction, my dear? Differential equation of fluid in a curved path relates pressure gradient in radial direction and in a normal direction, my dear. किसमें tangential गलती से मत बोलना. किसमें normal direction. Radial और normal direction में होता है. Okay, no issue. I will try my best, Chahat. Definitely will consider this point also. Don't worry, dear. Okay, here we go for next. Two radiating surfaces, A1 6 meter square, A2 4 meter square, have the shape factor F12 0.1. Shape factor F21 will be, you know that A1 F12 is equal to A2 F21, right? So what we have to find out? We have to find out F21. So it should be what? A1 by A2 multiplied by F12. Guys, please put the value and let me know the answer. What is the answer? हाँ जी बच्चा, it is none other than कितना आ रहा है? It is, yes my dear friends, please tell me क्या होगा? 0.15. F over 21 will be 0.15. 0.15. Very good. Here 0.15. Veerbhadra. 0.15. Here we go for next. A system is partitioned into two equal parts. An intensive property of system will be. An intensive property of each part will be what? Remain unchanged. Because it's an intensive, so it will not going to change. Very good. Remain unchanged. That's correct. Here we go for next. Remain unchanged. I got it. Uma Mahesh, Kanuri, Jennifer Ramji, Lalita, unchanged. Very good, dear. Everybody is correct. Here we go for next. In a vapor absorption refrigeration, heat is rejected in. In a vapor absorption refrigeration, heat is rejected in. किसमें रिजेक्ट होती है बच्चा? VARS में. That is in कंडेंसर से भी होती है एंड अब्सॉर्बर से भी होती है. That is number 3. Number 3. Very good. Very good. Condenser and absorber. Very good. Abhit, Akhilesh. Akhilesh also very good. Lalita, Krishna, Chahat, Krishna, Shivani. Very good. Here we go. Risers are not required for casting. किसके लिए required नहीं है? कौन से मटेरियल में? Guys, please be fast. Please tell me. In which we don't require risers. हाँ जी बच्चा. Yes, please tell me. Risers होता काय के लिए? It should be what? It should be for to maintain liquid shrinkage, right? Right ना? Liquid shrinkage. So जो grey cast iron होता है, grey cast iron क्या होता है? Contract होने की जगह पे क्या होता है? Expand होता है. Okay? किसमें expand होता है? Expand होता है. Okay? So my dear, it is none other than grey cast iron. Grey cast iron. Very good. 1 meter long steel rod with cross-section area this much is subjected to tensile load this one. Determine the elongation of a rod if modulus of elasticity is 200 gigapascal. My dear, you know that. You know that what delta is what? PL by AE. P is given 40 into 10 raised to power 3. What? Length is in 1 meter. That means what? 1000. Area कितना हो जाएगा बच्चा? 400. AE what my dear? 200 into 10 raised to power 3. गुजर गया ये. जो जो गुजर रहा है उसको गुजार दो. ये हो गया 10. अगर ये 10 हुआ तो 1, 2, 3 ये भी चले गए. बच्चा कितना आ जाए? 0.5. Very good. 0.5. 0.5. Very good. 0.5 is correct. 0.5 is correct. Yes. Yes, of course it's 0.5. No, it's not 0.22. It's 0.5. Here we go for next. Is it visible? Diagram visible hai? Yes or no? Please tell me. Is it visible? Diagram is visible to you? Yes or no? If it is not, then please let me know. I will zoom. So, see. You can see the diagram. This is very important. Zoom, sir. Okay, zoom kar diya. Now, is it okay? Abhi, I hope right now it's visible to you. Gopal Krishna. Is it visible? Okay, now okay now. So you can see there is a ABC. Okay, you can see the triangle OABC. What? OAC. Triangle OAC. Okay. So my dear, now I'll zoom in. Okay, and my dear, you know, path of approach पूछा है शायद यहाँ पे. तो path of approach क्या होगा बच्चा? AB. AB will be the path of approach, and my dear, that will be equal to what? AC minus BC, right? So here, that's the only thing we have to do, my dear, and we have to find out. We have to find out what BC, that is AC. AC, how we can find out? That is OA minus OC. Let me check what we have to find out. Then we'll come back to this. The below symbolic diagram, OA is given. Okay. BC is 2. OC is also given. OC is given, but AC is not given. So, my dear, how you can find out OC? Sorry. That AC. So, AC will be what, my dear? AC will be what? Under root of what, my dear? That is hypotenuse. Yes or no? Yes. And that should be none other than, my dear, OA square minus OC square. Right? OA square minus OC square. So OA is what, my dear? OA 5 square minus OC, that is 3 square, that is 9. So it should be what? 25 minus 9, that should be 16. That means out of that it should be 4, right? So what should be AB? You get AC, that is 4. BC is how much, bacha? BC is given 2. So path of approach will be what, my dear? It should be the path of approach. That is none other than AB. It should be what, my dear? 2. 2. Okay. It's 2 centimeter. Here we go for next. Guys, here we go for next. If average arrival rate in a queue is 6 per hour, average service rate is 10 per hour, which one of the following is the average number of customers in the line, including the customer being served? So, customer being served, my dear. So, we have to find out. What we have to find out? First, you tell me. We have to find out length of a system. We have to find out length of a system, my dear. And you know that length of system is what, my dear? Rho upon 1 minus rho. Rho is what? Utilization factor, and that will be what? Lambda by mu. अरे हाँ या ना बोलो रे बाबा. वेरी गुड. दैट इज लैम्बडा बाय म्यू हो जाएगा. ये होता है लैम्बडा बाय म्यू. सो लैम्बडा कितना है बच्चा? लैम्बडा आपका दिया है अराइवल रेट, दैट इज व्हाट? अराइवल 6 and it is what? 10. So it should be 0.6. Put the value, get the answer. Put the value, get the answer. And my dear, answer will be none other than 1.5. Rho will become 0.6 and answer will be 1.5. Correct? Very good. Very good. Here we go for next, my dear. Uma, Mahesh, very good. Krishna, very good. Here we go. Krishna Kumar, very good, dear. Here we go. The coefficient of contraction of a sharp edge orifice is 0.59. Okay. And coefficient of velocity of flow is what? 0.96. The coefficient of discharge. So coefficient of discharge is none other than what, my dear? Coefficient of vena contraction. That is what? CC multiplied by CV. Put the value, get the answer. 0.96 into 0.59. How much it is? कितना आ रहा है बच्चा ये? It should be, guys, be fast. 0.566. 0.566. Very good. Very good. Very good. Here we go for next. I got it. I got it. Here we go. For calculation of heat transfer by natural convection from a horizontal cylinder, what is the characteristic length in a Grashof number? It is horizontal. Remember, when there is a vertical plate, so characteristic length is what, my dear? Plate के लिए length होती है. Okay. When cylinder is like vertical, क्या है? Vertical है. So इस time पे क्या होगा? इसका length ही होगा. Okay. But when the cylinder is horizontal, my dear, at that time we have only what? Diameter. So answer will be length of cylinder, dia of cylinder. Horizontal है ना, तो dia of cylinder हो जाएगा. क्या हो जाएगा बच्चा? Dia of cylinder. क्या हो जाएगा बच्चा? It should be dia of cylinder. Here we go for next. Very good, dia of cylinder. But when it should be vertical, then it should be length. See, I hope diagram is visible. Diagram is visible. Can you tell me? Yes, my dear friend. Diagram is visible now. Diagram is visible, or yes or no, Ramji? No, it's not visible. Okay, let me zoom. Let me zoom. I hope it's visible to you now. I hope it's visible to you. Okay. Now listen. Okay, मैं draw कर देता हूँ. Listen to me very carefully. I will draw. I will draw the diagram for you guys. Listen. The diagram is like this. Listen to me. Here. Diagram I'll draw. Don't worry. This is pressure. This is D. This is C. This is B. This is A. And it is like this. Okay. And here we have VO. Here we have thrice VO. Here we have pressure PO. And here pressure twice PO. Okay. What they said, an ideal gas cyclic process ABCDA is shown in figure. Okay, the amount of work done by the gas. Amount of the work done by the gas will be what, my dear? Done by the gas. What should be? It should be what? Area. So area is what, my dear? Area what? Length into breadth. That is what, my dear? Thrice VO minus VO. That is what? Twice VO multiplied by pressure. That is what? P naught minus. So it should be this one. Yes or no? Please tell me. It should be what? It should be P naught, right? So yes, what should be the answer for it? Guys, please tell me what is the answer for it. Yes, it should be what? It should be what? Haji Bacha, which option is correct? Which option is correct? Option fourth. Option, okay. Work done by the gas, positive, positive, 3, 3, 3, 3. C. Now listen to me very carefully. People said 3. But the answer is, my dear, the answer is what? Answer, final answer will be fourth one. Why it is so? I'll tell you. I'll tell you. Just listen to me very carefully. It should be minus. Why it is minus? My dear, you can see work done by gas or whatever. Just don't go on that. Just watch the cycle carefully. It is, my dear, anti-clockwise. An anti-clockwise cycle always represents what, my dear? Work consuming device. So it is what? It is input. So input is what? Always negative. I hope you got it. So option will be fourth one. Option will be fourth one. I repeat it once again. It is not work producing. Clockwise work producing. Okay. Work absorbing cycle. That is work consuming. I hope you got it. Reverse, no. It's anti-clockwise. Here we go, my dear. For air with a relative humidity 80%. When that is 80%, that means what? It is nothing but what? Unsaturated. It is what? Unsaturated. So unsaturated air, what relationship? There is dryable temperature greater than from WBT temperature. WBT greater than from dew point temperature. Right? And when it is saturated, जब saturated होती है बच्चा, then at that time these three are equal. Right? Saturated means what? 100% RH. RH will be 100%. Right? So my dear, what it should be the answer? That is, it is 80% dryable temperature is less than? No. Dew point temperature is less than wet bulb temperature. Correct. Number 2. Very good. Here we go for next. Very good, dear. Here we go for next. In a centrifugal casting, the cores are generally made of. In centrifugal casting, the cores किससे बने होते हैं बच्चा? In centrifugal casting, the cores are made of. In centrifugal casting, very good, very good, very good, beautiful, beautiful, Veerbhadra, beautiful, Sam, beautiful, beautiful. I hope you got it. That is, my dear, I want to tell you, इसमें कोई core use नहीं होता. In centrifugal casting, we are not utilizing any kind of a core. जिन्होंने बोला wax, plastic, वो सब बहुमत वाले हैं. The people, those who have said that is plastic, wax, all of them are in majority. Okay, Vishal Bhagat, no core, very good. Here we go for next. A shaft is subjected to a bending moment and 400 Newton meter. What? All the torque. Okay, all the torque. T is what, my dear? Torque is this much. The equivalent bending moment is, my dear. And it is what? It is and torque this much. What is equivalent? So you know that M equivalent is what, my dear? Half of M plus M square plus tau T square. Right? Put the value, get the answer. Let me know the answer, please. Be fast, my dear. जल्दी करिएगा थोड़ा सा. हाँ जी बच्चा. It is what? It is none other than 450 Newton. कितना होगा बच्चा? It is 450 Newton. What? 450 Newton. Okay. Okay. Here we go. फंडा बताएंगे, डोंट वरी. बहुमत का फंडा नहीं पता, वीडियोस देखो पता चल जाएगा. I'll tell you, don't worry, बता दिया जाएगा. Which of the following mechanisms are example of force closed kinematic pairs? Which one of them is example of force closed kinematic pairs? My dear, please tell me. Haji. Slider crank mechanism. It's not a force closed mechanism. Force closed मतलब उस पर force लगता है, उसको as it is रखने के लिए. And that is, you know, door closing mechanism in cabins. When we go in your office, you see that when you just open the door, it automatically get closed. That is what? Force close. So my dear, door closing mechanism, correct. Cam and roller mechanism, definitely it is also there, right? So A and B are correct. That is number 1. Number 1. Very good. Very good. Here we go for next. Veerbhadra. Which one of the following is not a function of production control? Production control, we are routing, we are scheduling, we are dispatching, but we don't forecast. Very good. Very good, Rohit, Veera. Everybody is correct. Shivani, Mani Babu, Rahul, Krishna Kumar, Veerbhadra, Uma Mahesh, Dhyandev, Lalita, Sumit, everybody. Purvanuman, Chahat, very good. Here we go. The stability of floating body. The stability of the floating body. Center of buoyancy must coincide with the center of gravity. Center of buoyancy must be above the center of gravity. Center of gravity must be above the center of buoyancy. Meta center must be above the center of gravity. Which one is correct? Be fast, my dear. Be fast and be fast. Guys, be fast. It is none other than what, my dear? जो मैंने लास्ट में पढ़ा है, and that is very good. Fourth one. क्या होना चाहिए? Meta center must be above the center of gravity. Nusselt number, Reynolds number, Pennant number, Sherwood number, Schmidt number, Grashof number, the relationship for free convective heat transfer, my dear. It is nothing but what? क्या होता है बच्चा? Nusselt number होता है free convection के लिए, and relationship is what, my dear? क्या होता है? That is nothing but C into क्या होता है? Nu is equal to C into GR into PR into M. Raised to power m. So it should be none other than number 1. Very good. Here we go for next. Which of the following is correct for mixture of ideal gases? Mixture of ideal gases है तो definitely which one of the following is correct? Correct होना चाहिए. So आपको पता है ये क्या होना चाहिए बच्चा? ये summation of mass into R divided by summation of right. So ये तो गलत हो गया. CV twice m है. यहाँ m होना चाहिए था. Right? क्या होना चाहिए था बच्चा? M होना चाहिए. तो CP is correct. It is correct. Same thing will happen. But the only thing that is here, it is 2m. It's not 2m. It is only m. Very good. All of the above. Who said? Lalita, it's not all of the above. All of the above tab hota when we got this and we got CV is equal to summation of m into CV divided by summation of m, and CP will be what? Summation of MCP divided by summation of M. Then we can say all of the above. But here only CP is there, right? I hope you got it. Which of the following properties decreases with sensible heating of air water vapor mixture? My dear C. Sensible heating, right? C. It is moving away from, it is what? 100% relative humidity. So relative humidity is what, my dear? It is 100%. But as you move away from it, it will reduce. So यहाँ पे हमसे क्या पूछा है? Which decreases? That is none other than, my dear, relative humidity decreases 1. Okay. What about 3? Specific enthalpy. Specific enthalpy क्या होगी बच्चा? Specific enthalpy ऐसी होगी, यहाँ पे क्या होगी? Increase हो जाएगी. Specific enthalpy will increase. So that's why the option number only 1. Very good. Okay. Here we go for next. Which one of them is not suitable condition for producing continuous chip without built-up edge? See, which one of them is not suitable condition for producing continuous chip? Not suitable condition for continuous chip without built-up edge. That is what, my dear? Low speed, small speed machining, right? So option number कौन सा correct है बच्चा? बोले रे बाबा. Option number 2 is correct, right? Option number 2 is correct. Okay. Here we go, my dear. Okay. That is option number 2 is correct. Very good. Here we go for next. My dear. See. Poisson ratio of a thin cylindrical shell. That is mu is given by 1 by m. Okay. Diameter D, length L, thickness T, subjective to an internal pressure P. Then the ratio of longitudinal strain to hoop strain. My dear, hoop strain क्या होता है? Hoop strain, it is none other than PD upon, बहुत बार देख चुके हैं, 40E raised to power twice minus mu or 1 minus twice mu. हाँ जी बच्चा, it is twice minus mu. Right? वही बात करें, that is longitudinal की. It is what, my dear? PD upon 40E 1 minus twice mu, that is, and but mu का वैल्यू क्या है बच्चा, 1 by m, राइट. सो इसका रेशियो क्या आता है, द रेशियो ऑफ लॉन्जिट्यूडनल, दैट इज व्हाट अपॉन क्या होता है बच्चा, इसका रेशियो क्या आ जाता, रेशियो क्या आता है बच्चा, रेशियो विल बी, हाँ जी, रेशियो विल बी क्या आता, रेशियो आ जाता हियर व्हाट इट शुड बी, longitudinal, that is 1 minus twice mu, right, divided by, और ये क्या होता, that is 2 minus mu, right, yes or no बच्चा, of course it is, right ना, अरे बोलो रे बाबा, yes, okay, so just put the values, now put the values, so यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, 1 minus 2 by m and here 2 minus 1 by m. So what is the ratio? Ratio देख लो कुछ आया हो तो, that is m minus 2 by m multiplied by क्या हो जाएगा, 2m minus 1, मतलब यहाँ हो जाएगा 2m minus 1 ऊपर m गुजर जाएगा, क्या बचा, m minus 2 upon 2m minus 1, m minus 2 2m minus 1, m minus 2 2m minus 1. Number 3 is correct, I think. Number 3, very good. Number 3 is correct. Here we go for next, my dear. Simple mechanism consists of 11 simple revolute joints, 9 links. What is degree of freedom? सीधी सिंपल सी बात है, 3 into L minus 1 minus 2J minus H minus redundant motion. Right? कितना आ रहा है बच्चा इसका आंसर? आंसर will be none other than, my dear, कितना आएगा, 2. कितना आएगा, 2 आएगा. Okay? Number 2. Here we go for next, 43. ABC analysis divides on hand inventory into 3 classes. Based on what? Annual demand, annual consumption. That is number 4. Annual consumption. Very good. Fourth one is correct. Fourth one. Very good. Beautiful, beta. Beautiful. Here we go for next. Which of the following flow is rotational, where U and V are velocity components? So क्या होता है बच्चा, when du by dv is not equal to, sorry, du by क्या होता है बच्चा, du by dy ना, wait, that is क्या होना चाहिए, that is when there is inequality between what, my dear, when du by dy is not equal to dv by dx, at that time what, my dear, flow is rotational, right ना, right. So if I do, so see, my dear, अगर u करूं ये वाला पहला वाला, so it should be 1 and it should be what, 3 by 2. तो ये तो इक्वल नहीं है, तो ऑब्वियस सी बात है, ये तो हो गया. एक्स वाई में देखें, सो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा, वाई स्क्वायर, नहीं वहां पे आ जाएगा ट्वाइस एक्स. ओके, यहाँ पे क्या आएगा, यहाँ पे ट्वाइस एक्स वाई, यहाँ पे इक्वल है, इसमें इक्वल है, इसमें अनइक्वल है. सो आंसर विल बी व्हाट, माय डियर, नंबर 1. वेरी गुड, नंबर वन. ओके, हियर वी गो फॉर नेक्स्ट. Rate of heat transfer across any plane normal to x direction is proportional to the wall area and temperature gradient in x direction. This statement, my dear, क्या है ये, Fourier's law. कौन सा स्टेटमेंट, Fourier's law. Q is equal to K into dt by dx. नेगेटिव साइन क्या है, नेगेटिव साइन इसलिए है कि जैसे जैसे फ्लो प्रोसेस बढ़ेगा हीट ट्रांसफर घटेगा. ओके, for which process is the magnitude of work done in open system equal to that of, अगर बोले PV is equal to C है, अगर डेरिवेटिव ले लूं तो डेरिवेटिव अगर इसका ले लूं मैं, PV equal to C is what, my dear, isothermal ना. So if I take the derivative of this will be what, my dear, it should be first function into derivative of second plus second function into derivative of first, right, 0. क्या हो गया, PdV is equal to minus VdP है बराबर, so क्या होगा बच्चा, isothermal. Very good. Here we go for next. चले बच्चा आगे, here we go for next. Guys, do hit like, share and subscribe the channel. Boiler accessories are used to ensure, accessories are used to increase the efficiency, while mountings are necessary to make sure the safety. So it should be what, number 1. Okay, here we go. Can we go? Here we go, my dear. Easy performance improvement. Very good. Easy maintenance वगैरह से कुछ लेना देना नहीं है उसका, परफॉर्मेंस से सब कुछ लेना देना है. Here we go for next. Taylor tool life equation, VT raised to power n, a constant n and c depends on workpiece material, tool material, coolant, तीनों पे डिपेंड करता है बच्चा. This c depends on workpiece material, tool material, as well as coolant. 1, 2, 3, all of them. All of them. Very good. Very good. No, it's not two. Dharmendra. Dharmendra, it's not two. Uma, Mahesh. Uma, Mahesh, it's not two. 1, 2, 3, all. All are correct. Very good. Here we go for next, my dear. Young modulus and poisonous ratio. Young modulus and poisonous ratio of certain material are stated to be 100,000 gigapascal and 0.2 respectively. The bulk modulus, my dear. Bulk modulus क्या होगा? Yes, you have to tell me the bulk modulus. How we can find out bulk modulus, my dear? Be fast. हाँ जी बच्चा. What it should be? क्या होगा ये? That is, you know that law. You know that. That is what? E is equal to what? Thrice K, 1 minus twice mu. Right? You have formula. What you have to calculate? You have to calculate K. Mu is known. E is known. My dear, you will get K. And K का value कितना आएगा बच्चा? The K value will be 666. What? 666. 0.67 आता है. Okay? Very good. 666. Very good. Very good. Here we go for next. I hope you got it, everybody. Here we go for next. Which of the following are inversions of double slider? Old hand coupling? Yes. Whitworth nahi. Whitworth nahi. Single slider ka hai. Whitworth. Beam engine, it is also single slider. So that means electrical trammel and old hand coupling. That is 1 and 4. 1 and 4. Number 2 is correct. Number 2 is correct. Very good. Janipina Ram, Chahat, everybody is good. Very good, dear. Here we go for next. Crystal structure of copper is, my dear. क्या है crystal structure of copper का? Crystal structure क्या है copper का? That is what, my dear. Remember always कि क्या है copper का? FCC, face centered cubic lattice, right? FCC. Okay. Okay, FCC. Very good. Here we go for next. Material science. Proof resilience is the maximum energy stored at elastic limit, plastic limit of proportionality, none of the above. बच्चा please fast, थोड़ा सा जल्दी बताइएगा. FCC. What about this question? हाँ जी बच्चा. Very good. It should be none other than very good. Two elastic limit. It is elastic limit. Very good. Particle is moving in a simple harmonic motion in a simple pendulum with some period of oscillation. Then in order to double the period of oscillation, we have already done this question and we find out what? We have to length of pendulum क्या करेंगे बच्चा? Quadruple करेंगे. क्या करेंगे? Quadruple करेंगे. Okay? That is what, my dear. That is what. Number 4 is correct. Number 4. इसका हमने already calculate करा हुआ है. Right? Number 4 is correct. Number 4. We have already solved this question many times. Right? It's a repeated question. Number 4 is correct. Here we go for next. Length 4 times करना पड़ेगा. Very good. क्योंकि अंडर रूट से जब बाहर आएगा, so it will become 2, and that is double. For given fluctuating fatigue load, the values of stress amplitude. Stress amplitude क्या होता है बच्चा? Maximum plus minimum, और ये maximum minus minimum. हाँ जी बच्चा. It is. I want to tell you. Sometimes people get confused कि maximum minus minimum है और what. So I want to tell you it is maximum minus minimum divided by 2, right? So maximum कितना है? 250. Minimum कितना? 50 divided by 2. That is what? 100. ये हो गया amplitude. It is amplitude. What about ratio? So ratio क्या होगा? Minimum upon maximum. So minimum कितना है? 50 divided by 250, right? Which is what, my dear? क्या होगा ये? अरे बोलो रे बच्चा. It is what? 25 to that is 0.2. क्या होगा? 0.2. Number 3 is correct. Number 3. Very good. Everybody is correct. Vishal, Chahat, Mani Babu, Krishna, everybody is correct. So here we go for next, my dear. Here we go for next. The total acceleration of fluid flow is always 0. Then it is, my dear. Obvious सी बात है. अगर fluid flow का acceleration अगर 0 हो गया, that means what? Temporal and local दोनों 0 हो गए. अगर वो दोनों 0 है, that means, my dear, कि क्या होगा flow? Flow will be what? Steady and uniform flow. Right now, because acceleration contain 2 components. That is what? Temporal and convective. अगर वो दोनों 0 है, so it should be steady and uniform flow. Right? Yes or no? Steady and uniform. Very good. Here we go for next. Don't worry. Yes. Which of the following statement is wrong? The heat transfer in liquid and gases takes place according to the convection. The amount of heat flow through a body is dependent on the material of the body. The thermal conductivity of solid metals increases with rise in temperature. Yes. Third one पे क्या बोल रहे हैं आप? third one. Please focus on third one. No, it should not. थर्ड वन क्या होगा बच्चा? थर्ड वन ही इनकरेक्ट होगा क्योंकि क्या होती है? डिक्रीज होती है. इट शुड बी थर्ड वन. वेरी गुड. थर्ड. वेरी गुड. Here we go for next, my dear. Among the following option, which one is correct for critical point? Critical point के लिए कौन सा correct होगा इसमें से? That you have to tell me. It is point where saturated liquid and saturated vapor meets. Correct. Point degree of freedom 0. Correct. Transaction is undefined. Correct. All of them are correct. 4. All. Very good, Sam. Here we go for next. Joule cycle is used in. किसमें यूज होती है जूल साइकिल? बच्चा गैस टरबाइन. किसमें यूज होती है? अरे जूल साइकिल यूज इन गैस टरबाइन. वेरी गुड. Here we go for next. A spherical ball of weight 75 Newton attached. नहीं दिख रहा है. आई होप विजिबल होगा ये. हाँ जी, इस विजिबल है ना कंप्लीटली? यस और नो बच्चा? यस. I hope it's visible to you. Here we go for next. A spherical ball of weight 75 Newton. ठीक है, spherical ball है, ऐसा कुछ डायग्राम है वो. I'll draw over here. I hope it's visible to you. ऐसा है. A spherical ball of weight 75 Newton. Okay. Attached to a string and is suspended from a ceiling as shown in figure. Find the tension in the string if the horizontal force F 150 Newton applied to the ball. Okay. अब आपको now listen to me. Angle दिया नहीं है, right? Angle is not given, right? Yes or no? Yes, बच्चा. Angle is not given. So what we have to do? We have to calculate. Same idea. ध्यान से देखो. Tension जो होगा, the tension because it is going to be, ये लटक रहा है तो ये यहाँ से हिलेगा. सो टेंशन इस डायरेक्शन में होगा. अगर इस डायरेक्शन में होगा टेंशन तो ये एंगल क्या होगा बच्चा? थीटा. दिस एंगल विल बी थीटा. अरे हाँ या ना बच्चा? यस, ऑफ कोर्स इट शुड बी थीटा. सो डेफिनेटली ये जो कंपोनेंट होगा ये क्या होगा? टेंशन का टी कॉस थीटा. और ये हो जाएगा व्हाट माय डियर? टी साइन थीटा. एंड वेट कितना है उसका? 75. इट इज व्हाट? 75. सो कैन आई से टी साइन थीटा is equal to 75 and t cos theta is equal to 150, right? Yes or no? What we have to find out? We have to find out the tension find out करना है, right? So I hope you got it. So here we get tan theta कितना आ जाएगा बच्चा? 2 यहां से. sin theta अगर मैं डिवाइड कर दूं, t sin theta divided by t cos of theta is equal to what my dear? 150 t sin theta. t sin theta कितना है बच्चा? t sin theta. Wait, what we have done mistake. Oh shit, we have done mistake over here. See, अरे बच्चा ये इसके साथ में तो ये t cos theta होगा. I'm very sorry, यहाँ मिस्टेक हुई है. That is here it is what? It is t cos theta ना. एंगल के साथ में हॉरिजॉन्टल एंड इट इज वर्टिकल. सो वर्टिकल में आएगा t sin theta. एंगल इधर उधर हो गए. सो माय डियर t sin theta will be what? t sin theta is 150 and t cos theta will be 75. So my dear 150 by 75 it will be what? tan cos theta. tan theta will be 2. So theta यहाँ से निकल कर आ जाएगा 63. If you get theta 63, my dear put that value over here. You will get what? यहाँ पे थीटा की वैल्यू पुट करोगे you will get t. And t will be my dear कितना आ रहा है t? And your t will be 167. कितना? 167. That is 168. I hope you got it. Here we go for next. यहाँ पे एंगल बाय मिस्टेक ध्यान नहीं रहा. यहाँ पे जो एंगल लेना था that is what? It is हॉरिजॉन्टल एंगल ना. ये हॉरिजॉन्टल हो जाएगा. तो हॉरिजॉन्टल कंपोनेंट हमेशा cos का होता है. वर्टिकल कंपोनेंट always for sin. Okay. Here we go for next. Okay. The network shown below critical path along. ये तो completely visible होगा आपको. It's completely visible to you. हाँ, साइन एंड कॉस को रिप्लेस करना था. ओके, जूम करें. हर वेट वो कट जाएगा. जूम करेंगे तो कट जाएगा. ओके, आई होप यू गॉट इट। कट जाएगा वो, मेरी बात समझो। नहीं दिख रहा है, ठीक है, मैं एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूँ। सी, देखो यहाँ पे है, मैं बना देता हूँ डायग्राम। 1 है, नहीं बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है, विजिबल नहीं है आपको। 3 4, फिर बाद में 8 है माय डियर, यहाँ से 5, ये डमी से ज्वाइन है। ओके, देन 6 वी हैव, राइट, जल्दी जल्दी में बना रहे हैं। इट इज व्हाट 7 माय डियर, देन 8। ओके, और ये भी डमी है। इट इज D3, इट इज D1, सॉरी D2 है, D3 मान लो, D2 मान लो, जो मानना है। इट इज व्हाट 9, इट इज 9। यहाँ पे 4 है, यहाँ 5 है, यहाँ पे भी 5 है, 4 3 है, यहाँ पे 2 है, 3 है, 3 है, यहाँ 4 है। यू हैव टू टेल मी द क्रिटिकल पाथ। तो बच्चा क्रिटिकल पाथ कौन सा होगा? क्रिटिकल पाथ कौन सा होगा? इट इज नन अदर देन व्हाट 1 2 3 5 6। अगर आप इस प्लेस से जाओगे, लिसन टू मी, इफ यू गो फ्रॉम हिज दिस प्लेस 1 2 3 देन 5, ओके, देन माय डियर 6 के लिए ज्वाइन ही नहीं है। 1 2 3 1 2 3 5, ओह 5 इधर है, वेरी सॉरी। 3 then 5, then my dear 6, then my dear 7, then 8, then 9। इस पे जाओगे, you'll find the highest value and that value will be कितनी आ रही है यहाँ पे दी हुई है, that is what 1 2 1 2 3, that is 3 7 3 4 7 हो गया, ठीक है। 7 का डमी में कुछ नहीं है, ओके। 7 3 10, 10 और 4 14, 14 6 20, 20 और 4 24, that is 24। ऑप्शन नंबर 2 इज करेक्ट। ऑप्शन नंबर 2 से ही ज्यादा आएगी। नो, क्रिटिकल पाथ में वी रिक्वायर द मैक्सिमम वैल्यू निकालते हैं, बट दैट शुड बी व्हाट मिनिमम वैल्यू ट्रीटेड। वेरी गुड, हियर वी गो फॉर नेक्स्ट। ओके, यूटेक्टोइड स्टील कंटेन्स फॉलोइंग परसेंटेज ऑफ कार्बन। कितना परसेंट होता है यूटेक्टोइड स्टील में कार्बन? गाइस बी फास्ट, इट इज नन अदर देन 0.84। क्या होगा? 0.84, 0.84, वेरी गुड, 0.84। हियर वी गो फॉर नेक्स्ट। shaft with circular cross section is subjected to pure twisting moment, the ratio of maximum shear stress to largest principal stress, my dear। हाँ जी बच्चा, क्या होता है? yes please tell me what should be the answer for it। it is 1। क्या होगा बच्चा? 1। ओके, क्या होगा? बिकॉज इसमें क्या होता है, सिग्मा 1 इज इक्वल टू क्या होता है, सिग्मा मैक्स इज इक्वल टू क्या होता है, टाउ। सो ऑप्शन विल बी 1 ओनली। 1 1, वेरी गुड, 1 1 1 इक्वल, वेरी गुड। हियर वी गो फॉर नेक्स्ट। सिस्टम इज डायनामिक बैलेंस implies that system in dynamic balance implies means what, my dear? It is statically balanced, it is statistically balanced, right? Statically balanced। number 3, very good। here we go for next। yes, very good, 4 सही बोल रहे हो आप। which following method is correct for increasing torque transmitting capacity of clutch, my dear? क्या करेंगे? हाँ जी बच्चा, प्लीज टेल मी। पावर ट्रांसमिटिंग कैपेसिटी बढ़ानी है, देन व्हाट वी हैव टू डू? वी हैव टू व्हाट, माय डियर? वी हैव टू यूज फ्रिक्शनल मटेरियल विद हायर कोएफिशिएंट, इट्स करेक्ट। इंक्रीज द प्लेट प्रेशर बढ़ा दोगे, डेफिनेटली पावर ट्रांसमिटिंग कैपेसिटी बढ़ जाएगी, इट इज आल्सो करेक्ट। इंक्रीज द मीन रेडियस बढ़ाओगे तो भी इंक्रीज होगी, दैट मींस व्हाट, माय डियर? ऑल ऑफ द अबव आर करेक्ट। वेरी गुड, 4। हियर वी गो फॉर नेक्स्ट। Euler equation of motion is statement of what, my dear? Linear momentum conservation for force। yes, it's correct, number 1 ही correct है। informative question, I hope you got it। okay, here we go for next। steady state conduction with thermal conductivity given by k naught 1 plus beta t, where B is बीटा, क्या बोल रहा है? बीटा निगेटिव। तो बीटा जब निगेटिव होता है, माय डियर, सो स्लैब ऑफ गिवन थिकनेस, वी हैव ऑलरेडी डन द डेरिवेशन फॉर इट, माय डियर, जब हम लोग पढ़ते हैं। सो उस टाइम पे जब अगर ये निगेटिव होता है, तो उस टाइम पे हीट ट्रांसफर क्या हो जाता है बच्चा? हीट ट्रांसफर ज्यादा होता है लो टेम्परेचर्स पे, राइट? सो नंबर 1 इज करेक्ट, नंबर 1 इज करेक्ट। ओके, आई होप यू गॉट इट। यस और नो बच्चा? वेरी गुड। 66 1 वेरी गुड हियर वी गो फॉर नेक्स्ट एंड इसका ग्राफ हम लोग बनाते हैं तो एक ऐसा जाता है एक ऐसा जाता है और जिसमें इक्वल होता है वो ऐसे जाता है राइट याद हो आपको राइट ना ये निगेटिव वाले का ये पॉजिटिव वाले का critical pressure ratio of conversion nozzle is defined as the ratio of what my dear किसका रेशियो होता है critical pressure ratio we have to define and it is none other than what my dear क्या होता है बच्चा outlet pressure to inlet pressure when the flow is what my dear maximum that is outlet pressure to inlet pressure of the nozzle only when mass flow rate per unit area is what maximum इसी टाइम पे choking होता है इसी टाइम पे choking होता है नेगेटिव वहां लिखा हुआ है ओके दैट इज व्हाट बीटा इज नेगेटिव वहां मेंशन है इट शुड बी चोकिंग कब होती जब मैक्स फ्लो रेट पर यूनिट एरिया क्या होता है मैक्स हो जाता है एंड व्हेन इट हैपेंस व्हेन द चोकिंग हैपेंस थ्रोट पे m इज इक्वल टू 1 होता है दैट इज फ्लो क्या होता है सोनिक इन अ डीजल इंजन हीट रिजेक्टेड एट कांस्टेंट वॉल्यूम अरे ऐसी साइकिल बनती है बच्चा ये तो पता है सब right a body in equilibrium under a set of non-collinear forces the minimum number of forces has to be कितने होंगे बच्चा a body in equilibrium under a set of non-collinear forces so अगर non-collinear forces उस पर लग रहे हैं तो body equilibrium में कब रहेगी दो forces लगेंगे एक क्या करेगा उसको एक उसको पहले इक्विलिब्रियम में करेगा दूसरा क्या करेगा जो मूवमेंट होगा उसको बैलेंस करेगा तो टोटल कितने हो गए तीन टोटल कितने हो गए तीन वेरी गुड हियर वी गो फॉर नेक्स्ट इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग लेआउट टाइप मटेरियल्स आर फेड इनटू द फर्स्ट मशीन एंड फिनिश्ड प्रोडक्ट केम आउट प्रोडक्ट लेआउट फर्स्ट में लेते हैं डालते हैं हमें उसमें मिल जाता है फाइनल मिल जाता है ओके हियर वी गो फॉर नेक्स्ट इन सैंड मोल्डिंग द बॉटम फ्लास्क क्या होता है बच्चा ड्रैग अपर वाला पूछता अपर पार्ट इज व्हाट माय डियर कोप एंड मिडल पार्ट इज व्हाट माय डियर चीक द गिवन फिगर द प्रिंसिपल स्ट्रेसेस आर नहीं दिख रहा डायग्राम इज विजिबल और नॉट आई थिंक द डायग्राम इज नॉट विजिबल देन आई विल स्किप द क्वेश्चन I'll skip the question okay if it's not visible to you visible hai okay that means people are answering that means it's visible so yes what should be the answer for it guys be fast haji bacha please tell me what should be the answer for it 72 what my dear in a given figure the principal stresses are yes principal क्या है किसके बराबर होंगे shear stresses के बराबर होंगे right ना बिकॉज यहाँ पे कोई है नहीं so it should be what shear stress and opposite in nature और क्या होंगे opposite in nature होंगे very good equal but opposite very good here we go for next number of degree of freedom for planar linkage with 8 link that is what and joints आपको दिया हुआ है simple में so it is what my dear 3l minus 1 8 links है ना minus 2j means 2 into 9 that is 18 ये कितना हो गया 21 minus 18 ये 8 minus 1 7 3 जा 21 minus 18 3 very good here we go for next my dear the ascent curve for steel becomes asymptotic कब बनता है बच्चा जब 10 raised to power 6 साइकिल आ जाता है that is 10 raised to power 6 साइकिल आ जाता है बट एक बात याद रखिएगा जब कभी फेरस मटेरियल आते हैं फेरस मटेरियल लाइक एल्युमिनियम कॉपर फेरस मटेरियल लाइक एल्युमिनियम एंड कॉपर उनके लिए कब होता है 10 रेज़ टू पावर 8 साइकिल्स पे ओके उनके लिए एसिम्प्टोटिक कब होगा 10 रेज़ टू पावर 8 साइकिल्स पे रिमेंबर दिस एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन माय डियर ओके हियर वी गो फॉर नेक्स्ट द एक्जिस्टेंस ऑफ वेलोसिटी पोटेंशियल इन फ्लूइड फ्लो indicates that my dear flow is what irrotational flow क्या है बच्चा irrotational है right and satisfy the contained equation which one is correct बच्चा please tell me the answer for it guys be fast it is what flow is irrotational क्या होगा flow is irrotational very good Jagdish Babu you can buy RK Jain but for Vizag Steel MT whatever the sets I have taken just go through it my dear 100% promise that definitely you will find lot of question from my sets only. Okay, here we go. With rise in temperature, thermal conductivity of air increases. Air के लिए gases का क्या होता है? Increase होता है. Solid का decrease होता है. Okay, very good, very good. Here we go for next. Everybody is correct. Which of the following statement are true with respect to heat and work? They are boundary phenomena, correct. They are exact differentials, no. So it should be 1 and 3. That is their path function. So 1 and 3 is correct. Ideal vapor compression refrigeration system operates between a condenser pressure P1 and an evaporator pressure P2. Which of the following changes would increase its COP, my dear? क्या करेंगे? Evaporator को क्या करो? Evaporator को decrease कर दो, condenser को increase कर दो. Am I right? Yes or no? Guys, be fast. Please tell me. हाँ जी बच्चा. 78. What it should be? आपसे क्या increase करने बोल रहा है? Okay. COP increase करना है. So if you want to increase the COP, my dear, you have to what? You have to increase a refrigeration effect, and that will be increased by what? That will be increased by only subcooling. COP तभी बढ़ेगा ना. COP is directly proportional to what? Refrigeration effect. No. Subcooling. Very good. Most appropriate answer is subcooling. Okay. Here we go, my dear. Here we go for next. Self-locking brake. The force required to apply the brake is, my dear, please tell me, self-locking brake के लिए. हाँ जी बच्चा, self-locking brake के लिए, please tell me, be fast. Force we required, that should be 0 or less than 0, right now. So it is what? 0. It is 0. Self-locking के लिए, very good, very good. Here we go. शून्य राहुल जी, बिल्कुल सही बोल रहे हैं आप. Find the economic order quantity of annual demand of item 2000. Item order cost per unit 300. Ordering cost 1000. Holding cost 25. What it should be? That is twice D CO by CH. Right? Just tell me the answer for it. बच्चा कितना आया आंसर? आंसर कितना आया? इसका आंसर कितना आया? The answer will be, my dear, 400 units. कितना? 400 units. कितना आ रहा है? 400 units. D आपको दिया है, okay, and CO दिया है 1000, D दिया है 2000, 2 is there, CH 25. It is 25. It is 1000. You can put the value, get the answer. Number 1 is correct. 400. Very good. 400. Here we go for next, my dear. Reaming is the operation of what? Reaming is the operation of what, my dear? Can you tell me? हाँ जी बच्चा, be fast. Reaming is the process of what, my dear? हाँ जी, क्या बोल रहा है? Enlarging the end of hole? No. It is what? It is boring, right? So it is what? It is nothing but a process of finishing. That is what, my dear? Fourth one, sizing and finishing a hole. What? Sizing and finishing a hole, right? Yes. It is this one. I hope you got it. Very good. Very good. Here we go for next. A thin cylindrical pressure vessel with closed end subjected to internal pressure. The ratio of circumferential hoof stress to the longitudinal stress, my dear. Cylindrical के लिए बच्चा, please tell me the answer for it and be fast for it. Yes. हाँ जी बच्चा, please tell me क्या होता है? You know that sigma h by sigma l is what? 2. क्या होता है? 2 होता है. Okay, I hope you got it. So it is what? It is sigma h by sigma l, na? The ratio of hoof stresses. So it should be 2. Right now, PD by 2T, PD by 4T. Remember the formula for it, cylindrical. Very good. Here we go for next. Guys, do it, like, share, subscribe. Okay, the mobility of mechanism 1 and mechanism 2 is respectively. क्या आएगी बच्चा? Redundant motion है वहाँ पे. Please take care of redundant motion. Redundant motion है वहाँ पे. Mechanism 1 में. Mechanism 1 have one redundant motion. Redundant motion is there. Please. Okay. So क्या है बच्चा? लिंक कितना है? पहले वाले में 4. दूसरे वाले में लिंक कितना है? 3. पहले वाले में 4, दूसरे वाले में 3. Joints 3 and 2. पहले वाले के लिए बात कर रहा हूं. पहले वाले के लिए क्या होगा बच्चा? 3 into L minus 1 minus 2J minus H minus FR. So FR कितना है यहाँ पे? We have FR value, my dear, कितना है? That is 1 and H का वैल्यू भी क्या है 1 होगा यहाँ पे. ओके, सो पहले वाले के लिए जब आप कैलकुलेट करोगे यू विल गेट माय डियर हाउ मच, इट इज 1. क्या होगा 1. ओके, सो इसके लिए भी 1 आएगा, पहले वाले के लिए भी 1 आएगा, दूसरे वाले के लिए भी 1 आएगा. दैट इज नंबर 1 इज करेक्ट. हैड यू गॉट इट? 1 1 1 1 ओनली 1 1. I repeat 1 1. We have redundant motion for first mechanism. FR will be 1 and in second case FR will be 0. In second case we have joint 0. Sorry, joint 2. Sorry, not 0. FR redundant motion my dear, redundant motion. पहले जो फर्स्ट केस है, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट फर्स्ट केस, व्हाट इट शुड बी माय डियर. कितना होगा? हाँ जी बच्चा, इट इज व्हाट, we have 3 into 4 minus 1 plus minus 2 into joints how much 4, joints how much, let me check. Oh, joint 3, sorry, joint is 3, right, minus higher pair 1, right, FR. अब ये FR जो है, the FR is nothing but redundant motion. So my dear, here you can rotate this ruler without rotating, right? Yes or no? Without rotating this length. So it is 1. You will calculate कितना आ रहा है बच्चा? It is 1. It is nothing but 9 minus 6 minus 1 minus 1, that is 1. Right? 1 आ गया. It is for first one. Second के लिए क्या होगा बच्चा? Second one के लिए it is link is how much? How many links are there my dear? It is none other than 3 links and joints 2. Joints 2. So 3 links are there and joints are 2 and higher pair 1. Here it should be higher pair. So 1 and FR nothing FR. You are not allowed to rotate because here it is knife edge follower. So my dear क्या होगा? ये हो जाएगा 3 2s are 6 minus 2 into 2, that is 4 minus 1, that is what my dear, again 1. So 1 1 is correct. I hope you got it Mohan Raj. सेकंड का भी 1 होगा. अरे सेकंड का हायर पेयर ये नहीं दिख रहा है. ये higher pair for second, point contact, got it Sam? Point contact wala. Okay, here we go for next. What will be the dia for best size wire of 20 mm ISO course 3.5 pitch and 60? हाँ जी बच्चा, you should know best wire size formula. Best wire size formula क्या है बच्चा? क्या होता है? It is p by 2 into sec alpha by 2. क्या होता है? अरे बच्चा p by 2 into sec alpha by 2. Alpha is known, p is known. Find out the value. कितना आ रहा है? It is 1.44. It is 1.44. I repeat. कितना आएगा बच्चा? 1.44. So option will be 1. ये कितना है? P कितना? 2.5 दिया तो दिया है, ये दिया है pitch. Best wire size. If you remember the formula for it, very good. विशाल, फिगर नहीं दिखा होगा. Okay. Okay. Here, the viscosity of water at 20 degree centigrade is my dear. Water का viscosity क्या होता है? Informative question. If you know, you can click. It is nothing but what my dear? 1 by 100 poise. How much? It is 1 by 100 poise. कितना? Very good. 1 by 100 poise. Very good. It is 1 by 100 poise. Informative question. पता होगा तो आएगा, नहीं तो नहीं आएगा. Consider the one-dimensional steady state heat conduction along x-axis. For that, 0 to x, okay, through a plane wall with the boundary surfaces x is equal to 0, x equal to L. Maintain at temperature 0 degrees to 100 degrees centigrade. Heat is generated uniformly throughout the wall. Choose the correct statement. आपको correct statement बताने हैं बच्चा. Now you tell me the correct statement. Read the sentence. हाँ जी बच्चा, कहाँ होगा maximum temperature? See, the direction of heat transfer will from 100 degrees centigrade to surface at 0 degree centigrade. क्या ऐसा होगा? हाँ जी बच्चा, maintain at 0 degree centigrade 100 degree. So इसमें से क्या बोल रहा है? Correct statement. ना, डायरेक्शन यहां से नहीं होगी, यहीं से होगी. 100 से 0 होगी. Yes guys, be fast. थोड़ा सा जल्दी बताएंगे, ठीक है? हाँ जी, choose the correct statement. Choose the correct statement. Heat transfer तो पक्का 0 से 100 साइड्स आएगा, सो इट इज नॉट करेक्ट। अरे इसका डायग्राम जो वेलोसिटी प्रोफाइल हमारे पास आता है, ये 0 यहाँ पे होता है, सपोज टू बी यहाँ पे 100 है, वी हैव ड्रॉन द डायग्राम लाइक दिस, ऐसा डायग्राम आता है। सो टेम्परेचर, मैक्सिमम टेम्परेचर क्या जाएगा, 100 से ऊपर जाएगा, मैक्सिमम टेम्परेचर इनसाइड द वॉल मस्ट बी 100, इट्स करेक्ट। Profile, very good. Profile, very good. Here we go for next. Thermodynamic equilibrium is completely defined by specification of internal energy, enthalpy, generalized displacement, all of the above. Option will be, my dear, all of the above. Option क्या होंगे बच्चा? All of the above. Very good. What? All of the above. Okay. All of the above. Here we go for next. Which of the following statement is wrong? कौन सा wrong है इसमें से? The value of COP is always greater than 1. Yes or no? ये गलत है क्या? गलत है क्या? COP of value always greater, बेटा क्या होती है? Always greater, always greater. Yes or no? Let me check that. How many people say yes? COP. हाँ, देखते हैं कितने लोग बोल रहे हैं yes, no. Correct है. I said which. Okay, tell me the answer. Correct, no ऐसे बोल रहे हैं बच्चे. Guys, to tell me. You tell me. The value of COP is always greater than 1. Yes or no? Please tell me. Yes or no? No. Vapor absorption refrigeration system का जो COP होता है, that is quite less than from unity. Remember, less than 1 होता है किसका? VARS का. So which one is wrong? This one is wrong only. 1. 1 is correct. Okay. Less than 1. Very good. Here we go for next, my dear. When two equal opposite parallel forces with different lines of action act on a body, they constitute, my dear, क्या देंगे वो? कपल या मोमेंट, इनर्शिया, मोमेंटम. हाँ जी बच्चा, प्लीज टेल मी. इट शुड बी नन अदर देन, क्या होगा बच्चा? कपल फॉर्म करेंगे वो. ये देख भी चुके हैं हम लोग, राइट? ये देख चुके हैं हम लोग, राइट ना? यस और नो? इट शुड बी व्हाट, माय डियर? इट शुड बी कपल. Here we go for next. Part activity has optimistic time 3 days, pessimistic time 12 days, most likely 9 days. What will be the expected time? So my dear, expected time will be what, my dear? TO plus 4TM plus TP by 6. Calculate. कितना आ रहा है बच्चा? The answer will be 8.5 days. कितना आ रहा है आंसर? 8.5 days आएगा आंसर. Fourth one. 6. Fourth one. Very good. Couple, जोड़ा. ठीक है, आपकी भी बनेगी, डोंट वरी राहुल, आपका भी बनेगा, आपका भी बनेगा, डोंट वरी. बस अच्छे से पढ़ लो, नौकरी अच्छी से ले लो, अच्छा जोड़ा बनेगा बेटा. हियर वी गो फॉर नेक्स्ट. स्टील पाइप्स आर मैन्युफैक्चर्ड बाय. स्टील पाइप किससे मैन्युफैक्चर्ड होते हैं बेटा? स्टील पाइप को मैन्युफैक्चर किससे करते हैं? सबको पता. इट इज नन अदर देन माय डियर, क्या होगा? रेजिस्टेंस वेल्डिंग. क्या होगा? रेजिस्टेंस वेल्डिंग. आई होप यू गॉट इट. यस और नो? Yes or no? Very good. क्या होगा? It is what? Very good, very good, very good. Here we go, my dear. That is resistance building. सबने आंसर दिया है. Very good dear. Here we go for next. The true value of strain produced in compressing cylinder to half of original length will be, my dear. Length will be, yes. ट्रू स्ट्रेन पूछा है आपसे. ट्रू स्ट्रेन, guys, you have to calculate true strain, and that is none other than what, my dear? ln of 1 plus engineering strain, right? ये होता है हमारा ट्रू स्ट्रेन. सो इंजीनियरिंग स्ट्रेन कैसे क्या करेंगे? चेंज इन लेंथ टू द ओरिजिनल लेंथ. चेंज इन लेंथ टू द ओरिजिनल लेंथ. यस और नो? अरे बोलो रे बेटा, यस और नो? अरे हाँ या ना? यस. क्या होगा? चेंज इन लेंथ कितना है? हाफ ऑफ इट्स ओरिजिनल. दैट मींस ये 0.5 आ जाएगा. अरे हाँ या ना? क्या आएगा? इट शुड बी व्हाट? L by 2 minus L, that is what? minus 0.5. तो किसके बराबर आएगा? minus 0.5 आ जाएगा. राइट? अब इंजीनियरिंग जब निकालने जाओगे, इट शुड बी व्हाट? ln of 1 minus 0.5. सो माय डियर, ये किसके बराबर आएगा? ये आपका आ जाएगा, दैट विल minus 0.69. minus 0.69. माइनस आ रहा है, माइनस आ रहा है ना? इट इज माइनस ना? इट इज माइनस. माइनस नहीं आ रहा? लेट मी कैलकुलेट. माइनस आ रहा है, इट इज माइनस, माइनस आ रहा है आंसर. पीपल सेड आंसर माइनस नहीं आ रहा, इट इज माइनस, it is minus. Number 2 is correct. Here we go for next. A slider crank mechanism, the maximum acceleration of slider is obtained when the crank is slider crank mechanism, the maximum acceleration of slider is obtained when the crank is, my dear, crank कब होता है, कौन सी पोजीशन पे होता है, we have to tell the position, so it should be at inner dead center. अरे हाँ या ना बोलो रे बच्चा, inner dead center, middle में, it should be at inner dead center. कहाँ होना चाहिए बच्चा, इनर डेड सेंटर पे. कहां पे, इनर डेड सेंटर पे. ओके, आई होप यू गॉट इट. यस और नो. इनर डेड सेंटर, व्हाट, इनर डेड सेंटर. हियर वी गो फॉर नेक्स्ट. फॉर अ प्लेट विद elliptical hole subjected to tensile stress sigma as shown in figure, the maximum tensile stress at point P. Here we have to find out. यहां पे स्ट्रेसेस क्या होंगे बच्चा, प्लीज टेल मी. हाँ जी बच्चा, बी फास्ट. क्या होगा, क्या होगा बच्चा, इट शुड बी व्हाट, मैक्सिमम टेंसाइल स्ट्रेस विल बी व्हाट माय डियर, सिग्मा नॉट इनटू ट्वाइस ए प्लस बी. अरे हाँ या ना, यस और नो. क्या हो जाएगा, इट शुड बी सिग्मा नॉट, पी पे फाइंड आउट करना है ना, तो पी पे क्या हो जाएगा माय डियर, क्या होगा पी पे, that will be what, that will be, हाँ जी, yes, it should, very good, that is sigma naught into 1 plus twice a by b, right now. अरे हाँ या ना, yes of course it is. So my dear, अब देखो a तो clearly greater है, a is clearly greater than from b, so definitely जो आएगा वैल्यू आएगा वो क्या आएगा, ए तो क्लियरली ग्रेटर है किससे, बी से, सो डेफिनेटली ये वैल्यू जो आ जाएगा 1 प्लस 2 पॉइंट समथिंग, दैट मींस कितना, 2 से 1 प्लस 2 समथिंग क्या आएगा, मतलब 3 से ऊपर ही आएगा. सो इट शुड बी व्हाट, द आंसर विल बी माय डियर, आंसर क्या हो जाएगा, इट शुड बी मोर देन 3 सिग्मा. किससे ज्यादा, 3 सिग्मा से ज्यादा. ऑप्शन विजिबल नहीं है, राइट. सो ओके विल डू वन थिंग, विजिबल नहीं है ना ऑप्शन, लेट मी, इट शुड बी मोर देन 3 सिग्मा. किससे ज्यादा होगा, 3 सिग्मा से ज्यादा होगा. ओके, वेरी गुड. ओके, हियर वी गो फॉर नेक्स्ट. आ रहा है समझ में, ओके वेरी गुड, पीपल हैव गिवन द आंसर, दैट्स ग्रेट. ओके, ये स्ट्रिप इसलिए चलाई जाती है ताकि जिसको भी क्वेरी हो वो अपनी क्वेरी इस मेल पे, दैट इज support@testbook.com पे भेज सके. ओके, नाउ माय डियर, हियर वी गो. स्ट्रेस का डायरेक्शन नहीं दे रखा, वही तो मैं बोल रहा हूं, अगर हम पी नॉट मान लेते हैं, पी नहीं दे रखा है तो वहां चिल्लाना नहीं है. एग्जाम में वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द आंसर, राइट, जो मोस्ट क्लोजली होगा. रिमेंबर वन थिंग, योर एग्जाम इज टोटली बेस्ड ऑन द ऑप्शन विच इज क्लोजली रिलेटेड ऑप्शन. जो भी 4 ऑप्शन दिए होंगे उसमें से बहुत ज्यादा जो क्लोजली रिलेटेड होगा वो आंसर हमें देना होता है. ओके, हियर वी गो अगेन. आई थिंक इट्स विजिबल है, कंप्लीटली विजिबल, नो इशू. सो माय डियर सी, क्या पूछ रहा है, मैच द पेयर्स फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ फ्लूइड डायमेंशंस एंड सिलेक्ट द करेक्ट आंसर. हाँ जी, एब्सोल्यूट विस्कोसिटी, न्यूटन फ्लूइड, व्हिच वन इज करेक्ट बेटा, प्लीज टेल मी. हाँ जी, इट्स वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन. इट्स वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन. एब्सोल्यूट विस्कोसिटी क्या होगा इसका आंसर, एब्सोल्यूट विस्कोसिटी दैट मींस व्हाट, इसका किसमें होता है, पॉइस में. सो ए का 3, अब देखें ए का 3, ए का 5 है, ए का 3, मतलब ये दोनों ऑप्शन तो नहीं है. इट्स फॉर श्योर, ये तो श्योर हो गया, राइट. अरे हाँ या ना बेटा, यस, पूरा श्योर हो गया. सो नाउ सी काइनेमेटिक विस्कोसिटी. काइनेमेटिक विस्कोसिटी का क्या होता है, लेट मी चेक. काइनेमेटिक विस्कोसिटी ड्यू नहीं, न्यूटन ना पॉइस, स्टोक्स, वेरी गुड, दैट इज 5 3 5 है दोनों में. ठीक है, सी का देखते हैं. न्यूटन फ्लूइड क्या होता है बेटा, du by dy क्या होता है, कांस्टेंट होता है, दैट इज नन अदर देन, इसका ऑप्शन क्या हो जाएगा, इसका ऑप्शन हो जाएगा 1, तो 3 5 1. सो 3 5 2 3 5 1, नंबर 4 इज करेक्ट, बाकी को छोड़ दो. वो ऑटोमेटिक करेक्ट हो जाएगा. वेरी गुड. फोर्थ इज करेक्ट. वेरी गुड डियर. वेरी गुड. हियर वी गो फॉर नेक्स्ट. Non-dimensional form of natural convection heat transfer coefficient is कौन सा है बेटा? Guys, be fast. And it is none other than कौन सा है? Grashof number. क्या है बेटा? Non-dimensional form of natural convection heat transfer coefficient is none other than Grashof number. Very good. Grashof number. Everybody is Grashof number. Very good. Mani Babu, Sumit, Shivani. Everybody is correct. Here we go for next. जूल थॉमसन कोफिशिएंट फॉर एन आइडियल गैस. माय डियर, क्या होता है आइडियल गैस के लिए? क्या होता है जूल थॉमसन कोफिशिएंट? प्लीज टेल मी द वैल्यू फॉर इट. वैल्यू फॉर इट जूल थॉमसन कोफिशिएंट क्या होता है? जीरो. क्या होता है? जीरो. क्या होता है? जीरो. बिकॉज इट टेल्स अबाउट व्हाट? चेंज इन टेम्परेचर with respect to pressure at constant enthalpy. That is nothing but mu. But I already explained you throttling में for ideal gases. For ideal gases, what my dear? T1 is equal to T2. अगर T1 is equal to T2, that means what? dt गुजर जाएगा. dt गुजरा तो mu पूरा गुजरेगा. So that's why I said zero. Right? मेन चीज है गुजारना. बहुत सारी चीजें अगर गुजर जाए तो रास्ता आसान हो जाता है. बट दिक्कत यही है कि इस देश में गुजरने का जो वो है फंडा है वो काम नहीं करेगा. वो सिर्फ यही काम करेगा. फायर ट्यूब बॉयलर्स आर जनरली low pressure boiler, high pressure boiler, medium, or all of the above. Guys, please tell me the answer for it. Be fast. क्या होता है? Fire tube boiler, low pressure. Very good. अब एक very good. It is low pressure boiler. Okay. Range of cannon is 1.5 kilometer when the angle of projection 15 degree. What will be the maximum range of the cannon? हाँ जी बच्चा, कैनन की रेंज पूछ रहा है. कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे? Be fast. Please tell me. हाँ जी, आर मैक्स क्या हो जाएगा? गाइस प्लीज टेल मी. इट शुड बी व्हाट? हाँ जी बच्चा, क्या होगा? मैक्सिमम रेंज पूछ रहा है ना. मैक्सिमम रेंज. सो माय डियर, मैक्सिमम रेंज कब होती है? कब होती है मैक्सिमम रेंज? प्लीज टेल मी. गाइस बी फास्ट. इट इज नन अदर देन आर मैक्स पूछ रहा है आपसे. R max, maximum range of the cannon. Angle is given. That is what, my dear? V square by twice G. Right? Right now? No, sorry. R by. Range is already given. It is what? Sine 2 theta. So, my dear, R is what? 1.5. Sine 2 theta means what? Sine 30. You will get answer, my dear. And answer will be कितना आ रहा है बच्चा? आंसर कितना आ रहा है? It is none other than 3 kilometer. कितना? 3 kilometer. Okay, here we go for the last question. That is, document which contain the information about used material sequence, detail, quantity of raw material is classified as, my dear. Please tell me the answer for it. It is none other than bomb. It is none other than what? Bomb. Bill of materials. Okay, so these are the questions. We have done the 100 question in Vizag today. So guys, I hope you got it, each and everything. Okay? Yes. Okay. So guys, we'll see you in the next class. Yes. सामग्री के बिल बिल्कुल सही बोल रहे हैं राहुल जी आप. ध्यान दो कुराडे, बॉम्ब आला है. बॉम्ब ध्यान देव. समजत आहे ना? ते चालू आहे. ध्यान देव. अरे तुझ्याशी बोलतोय रे बाबा. ध्यान देव. सर आप सोते नाही. सगळं समजलं. बरं ठीक आहे. असेच येत जा आणि असेच शिकत जा आणि नोकरी घेऊन घ्या एका शासनाची. बरं का? नॉन टेक पार्ट विल स्टार्ट. ओके, when will start? Rajesh Naidu Makiredi, that I want to tell you कि you can explore the content for non-tech in testbook.com channel. The link is given in the description. Okay. नक्की करू सुमित. And one more thing that I want to tell you, guys. Keep please next class question. No. What next class? I'm not getting Krishnamurthy. What do you want to say? Please next class question number. I'm not getting. What do you want to say, Krishna? I'm not getting. Please next class Question number means I'm not getting. What do you want to say? Yes. Guys, please tell me. He wants question number. Okay, question number. Okay. That means you want to say कि question number उसमें include कर दें. Okay, no issue. No issue. One liner, definitely there should be no any kind, no question conventional. कोई question नहीं आएगा conventional. Don't worry. Boiner all said sir कि non technical भी start कर दीजिए. The thing is, definitely we start, my dear. सब करेंगे धीरे धीरे. See, we have started mechanical. Then people said sir civil we have started. People ने बोला, लोगों ने बोला sir electronics, we have started electronics. People said sir electrical, we have started electrical. I told you SSC के बाद NLC I have done. After NLC I told you okay we'll go for UPPSC and Vizag. We are starting it, right? So definitely we'll do, but we will do in a planned manner, my dear. The thing is we plan each and everything already and then we'll start. उसको भी करेंगे, don't worry. I will discuss your concern, don't worry, my dear. Just believe on me, because it needs lot of time. It required lot of efforts to know kind of data and all those kind of quality content, each and everything. But definitely I will try my best so that you'll whatever your requirement that will get fulfilled. Don't worry. Okay, Rahulji, can you bring test series for MPSC AMVI? Okay, Sumit Kumar, definitely. That is MPPSC, MPSC jo, right? Assistant Motor Vehicle Inspector, right? So what we are doing, it is what second paper technical, right? Pre has been over. So definitely we'll plan on that and definitely we'll do something for this. Rajesh Naidu, that's why I said, please, you can just go to the testbook.com channel. The link of that channel is given in the description. You got 53 in pre. That means you are in. No issue. Sumit. Pre झाला है तुझा. मेरी तैयारी कर तू. Okay. Okay, guys. So, okay, we'll see you in the next class then. Tomorrow morning, 11 a.m. Okay. So, guys, I want to tell you, there is a regular class in the textbook gate for UPPSC, my dear. Question solving, expected question. UPPSC AE at 11 a.m. I repeat, daily. And my dear, we have Vizag. क्या होता है? We have Vizag as well. And Vizag daily at 3 p.m. Okay, 2 classes are there. So guys, get benefited of these opportunities and DPSC. I'll forward your consent to the concerned authorities and after that we'll do discussion what we have to do and my dear then we'll proceed. Sushil Kumar. I hope you got it now. Okay. I hope it's clear to you, Sushil. Okay, so guys, we'll see you in the next class then. So here I take a leave now. So guys, take care. Bye-bye. Shabba khair. And one more thing that I want to say. Thank you so much for your presence and maintaining the decorum of the classroom. Right? Very interactive. You guys are very interactive and I appreciate that. So we'll see you in the next class. Okay, next 100 question. Don't worry. Definitely, Krishna. See, if the PPT has been already made, then we can't do anything for number. Okay, Krishna. But if it is not, then definitely I will definitely. Okay, thank you so much, Abhit. I'm here to help you. The textbook is here to help you. So guys, we'll see you in the next class. So take care. Bye-bye. Shabba khair. And thank you so much. And one more thing that I want to tell you, guys, please do hit like, share, and subscribe the channel. Okay, if you are new into this channel, then please subscribe and do hit like, share the video. Okay, and guys, thank you so much. Okay. Chahat, okay. See, Chahat, if the PPT has been already made, we can't do anything. But if it is not, then definitely we'll incorporate that. Because you are the first person who complained about the font size. Nobody else is complaining till now. Almost 4 to 5 months से हो रहा है, but from last 4-5 months nobody have complained about the font size. Okay, but still will improve. Don't worry. Chahat will definitely incorporate your feedback. No issue. बिल्कुल करेंगे. आपकी जो वो है इच्छा उसको भी पूरी करने की कोशिश करेंगे. Don't worry. नहीं करेंगे चाहत. Definitely कुछ ना कुछ करेंगे. Don't worry. So we'll see you in the next class. To take care. Bye bye. Shabba kar. Okay, and one more thing that I want to tell you. Guys, please stay at home, stay safe, stay online with testbook.com.